But about this sardines, ne your friend is saying tomato paste, ne oil, ne ebu Ghana now. Most consumers think that we have the what do you call it, the manufacturing plants in Ghana, but no, most people are using typing baby here. Okay, in TM fan said we need something looking like a baby. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kwame Chumesi. Again, if you do not understand a country and you prefer the English version of this tutorial, please click on the first link in the description section below to suit yourself. Hello, my for Fofoofo TV, so I soon for Kwame Chumesi. I just thought to do this quick tutorial for you guys because I see a lot of people making this mistake. It breaks my heart. There's a trend going on in Ghana in terms of the sort of product a man for air park of about beton. Well, to see, I will share the trend now. We bring now air tone baby wipes. Why are they selling baby wipes? You bet another baby wipe so baby wipe on your water the and your alcohol there so and also it be so air tone parts. Okay, why are they selling parts? You bet Ebisu air tone baby diapers. So it's baby diapers. And why are they selling baby diapers? You bet Ebisu air tone, what do you call it? Toilet rolls. Why are they selling toilet rolls? You bet And how come a lot of people are kind of buying this sort of products? Not on more tongue ever Ghana. You'll be a friend of consumables. Consumable products, products are you use it on a daily basis. We always need it and we always use it. Maybe to say into more the oil, so this sort of product, you know, they be so and they be use oil to make our stews, to make our food. Into oil and this sort of food product, you know, consumables we always need it. Until you be out on this sort of product now, I'm better because they be so and a diapers, ni baby wipes, no can as the mother, no, you need diapers to change your baby. Make your baby wipes to be wiping your baby and to waste a consumable products. A month for who said this sort of product, you know, a copper ye and to be brena in bulk quantities from China, normal beton Ghana. As a mini importer, no, I see a lot of people make huge mistakes with this and it breaks my heart. That's why I'm actually doing this video for you. And why am I actually doing this video? And then we per se try another version of you actually going to buy this product in bulk and coming to sell. I know people that are buying like 20-foot container, 40-foot container and making a huge mistake. So what are some of the mistakes they are doing? Bibrina call Alibaba, so no matter share diapers. No matter share ABR, the cheapest products. No matter cultural ABR manufacturer, and say ABR per 20-foot container, per now 40-foot container. Not supplier, no, I'm this price. Well, then I agree. Not supplier, no, I shape a product to Ghana. What is the mistake here? Mistake here is say, offer products biakeke with products branding biakeke. That's a fa ababeton ewo Ghana ne ton beye ya. Okay, you need to put a brand on your product. Ghana for you also buying the product no and as a brand no marketing of your product no really difficult. Once you offer products we now person turn off a product and it on the ground I ding amount. Why? Because Ghanaians do not know the brand. You'll be a friend of private labeling. Private labeling is say ABR or person okoto diapers way. When you supplier or person or diapers way now. Supplier most of them will already have their brand on the product. But with private labeling, be to me I catch a supplier and say a woman so person turn the product on the person with the one kasa brand to product on this they will agree to this because again you are bringing them business and most people are actually doing this. There are lots of these big brands in Ghana. They are actually doing this to shock you. About this food products now, I don't want to get in trouble, so I'm not going to mention any names. But about this sardines, your friend is saying tomato paste, ni oil, ni ebu Ghana now. Most consumers think that we have the the manufacturing plants in Ghana, but no, most people are using this private labeling. Private labeling, you talk to the manufacturer, you come in agreement in sort of terms, between the wankasa or brand add to the product. Or per se, or have some unique features of the product to between the manufacturer and akasa, and trust me, they will do this for you. The only downside is if you are starting, you have to spend a little bit of money to do your branding, okay? And also with the suppliers, for them to actually agree to your private labeling terms, so I'm going to brand air to product, you need to buy larger quantities. That is the only disadvantage, okay? But you are thinking of scaling your business and you are thinking of going big with your business now, you need to make sure, you use this private labeling strategy. If not now, product now is going to be really difficult. When it comes to private labeling, there's a lot of advantages, especially to you as a business. One, it's going to be easy for you to market your product. Two, when people get to know your product now, trust me, your product will go skyrocket. Three, to add a lot of product to your brand. In Sabia, sene me ton Fofoofo diapers between the Fofoofo wipes about, between the Fofoofo pads about, so between the Fofoofo tissues about, between the Fofoofo toilet rolls about. And this is some of the importance of you having a private label. If you do not put your own logo, now I feel product be a if another person can find the exact same product, now one yet the marketing ye and then the customer service uncle ye, so now product becomes a problem. Now what I can find the exact same product, people will also not buy from you. Having your own private label, trust me, you can grow your business quickly. Trust me, you can make a lot of money quickly. Trust me, you can also set your own price tag. Because I'm not for the brand it too now. Who are going to me and make you your price tag, if that makes sense. But I offer product A, now we offer the same product A. Now more turn on there or no turn there one city. To me turn with any 2 cities because it's the exact same brand. But if you put your own branding on, trust me, you can do a lot with it, and I highly recommend this. Do not make this mistake and just go and take any product with brand behind to so we take it the manufacturer's brand. Now I ship Ghana or so how can you come up with a brand name and also a logo? Really easy. Branding really easy. I'll quickly share my screen and show you some few tools will be to me useful to come up with your brand name and also logo. See you on the other side. Okay, Nyanum, I know what you guys are thinking. Into how can you come up with your brand name and your logo? Okay, the easiest way was Sikaka Crowd. Highly recommend say being a graphics designer to help you guys out. But I know so most of you guys out there will be on a tight budget, okay? And so you can actually do this using some tools. And I'm going to share with you simple tools that you can use to come up with brand names and also logo for your private labeling. The first tool I'm your friend in Namelix, okay? Into Namelix, a smart tool will enter 1 or 2 keywords in between. I help you with your brand name. And then on namelix.com. I'll leave a link in the description section below. Obahana, you can use this sort of tools, to come up with brand names like Google, Instagram, Airbnb, and okay. And see, I've already come up with a name in my head. And see, me diapers na mpese me tono. Me pese me friend Zippy diapers. Zippy means happy. Okay. And see, metro Zippy diapers were. All right. And today is the sort of brand name a woman team. And business name generator and our name links, will help come up with other names. And I say Zippy diapers, name near available. Okay. And so I'll just go generate. And to code generate, always select a name style. And how do you want your name to be? Upe say brandable and upe say or mouse suggestions in regards to the Zippy diapers now matrono. I'll just leave it on brandable names. Next. After next, select generation randomness. Upe set or go or you're more random and less random. What's select lower, be less random. Or be make sure say it didn't zip in that way. So be used in most of the brand names. No be suggest amount. Oko medium or be less randomness. Oko higher. After you want your suggest a different name altogether for you. I'll suggest you go low. Say a dinner was selecting you highly confident. Just select low. Now if you work on next. Alright, into brand info, into ZP Diapers na machoro. I'll also show a short sentence description of your brand, of your business or product into mature diapers for babies. As easy as that. Into ZP Diapers now for you generate. Into if you're any magic, no one coming out with some brand names you can use, if that makes sense. Into ZP Diapers near Troy, and after we're coming up with other brand where names you can use. What shows Z baby so and an idea of how the logo can look like. What short tiny baby diapers so what short diapers what short bids what short zippy baby kidzilla diaper so cover kits. And when will give you a lot of brand names you can use. Will be to me coming up with, and I'll be to me using now your manufacturer no and your supplier no now or they account your products into infant auto diapers or they account the diapers no amount. Yet really easy. They will suggest a lot for you. Into if you are stuck and you don't know what sort of brand names to use now, come here and use Nameless. After you're free and you will be a friendly name checker. So what coming up with a name, you know, also making sure say that name, you have the domain name available, you have the Facebook name available, you have like TikTok, Instagram, and all this Twitter and all these names available. Why? Because brand, yeah, you need to make sure say it will be so into me use that name so they can steal your product, if that makes sense. It's basically you protecting your brand. Also making sure say all the names, you know, what created all these social media platforms with the sort of brand name will be used, you know. And also the same thing, you better be a Zippy Diapers. Okay, you can say if this name was available into Zippy Diapers, near cut search. Into cut search the name check and the brand say or bet sure if the names are available on all these platforms so greener, that means you can use your brand name to create a name on say Pinterest or gusucheke4.com on Facebook and Twitter. We'll not waste time here, we'll just come back later. So so if it's green, that means the name is available, you can use. If it's red, that means someone is already using that name. Until we're set, we choose another name, if that makes sense. Until I'm trying to say after your name, you know, how do we create the logo? Creating a logo, and again, say, you can pay someone, a graphic designer, to do a good job for you. But only Sikaswa, don't worry, I got your back. You can come and create a free account on Canva. I'll be to me creating a free account on Canva and use Canva to design your logo. We use Canva, really easy. I'll quickly demonstrate for you guys. In Tubeko, you can also do this on your phone. To install the app on your phone. And now if you come on the website now, canva.com, and I'll call your Google Play Store and our App Store now, you search Canva, will be the app, no, download, not creating your account, or create your account, and make sure you create a free account. No, I call create design, or create designer, no, I call ABR logo. So, no, I call logo. Into call logo now, a bemau, like nice template to how you can use, like an easy template you can use. So, into after na design section watch a baby, because we are targeting babies. Into baby a lot of babies, what do you call it, logo design ebeba ewa. Well, you just need to select one. Into for instance, without wasting much of your time, I want to really go quick on this. All right, into abia my select way just for this tutorial. Okay, into me select where what we can do is we can design more. All right, and if I like the logo, I'll just leave it like this. Also, I throw baby blue for boys, pink for what do you call it, girls. I like this one. After dinner wahano, we just write Zippy. So Zippy Diapers. After if you want to, you can delete. Into a bit too much baby say #1 diaper in Ghana. Something simple, okay? Into if you are ready, you just go here. I want download it. Okay, in case Canva is too complex for you, again, there's another app I'll be to me use by a friend is Zala. Okay, Zala is really easy to use. Okay, and to create a free logo with Zala. Again, ABR, your business name near Zippy. Into Baha Zippy Diapers. So Zippy Diapers. Now I could create your free logo. Very easy. And what's your logo for? Into diapers. diaper products. Well, into diaper products. Now if you are next. Into you can add like a slogan into EBR #1 diapers in Ghana. Something simple like this. So #1 diapers in Ghana, no one next. All right, into where I sell products, I offer services. Into what do you need the logo for? You find say I sell products. So if I choose icon, you just leave on choose icon for me. Now if you select a template, into or better recommended some templates for you. The templates now will be to me choose which one are actual kakra, if that makes sense. Okay, let me find say this one is what we want. You best select it on this one. All right, we'll click on the sooner where you can quickly design. Without us changing anything, we'll shut down Hana. I bet you how it's going to look on t-shirts, your business card, even if you have like an app, how it's going to look on it. If you have like an product episode to so how it's going to look like, and the rest. Facebook group, again, your Facebook, your Instagram, your way, how the logo is going to look like. Okay, but in this case, and I want to change the icon into the about icon section. Hana, I can just type in baby here. Type in baby here. Okay, into Yemfan said we need something looking like a baby. This one is nice. This one is also 90. But to me, actually, somewhere. Nice. Into your change it icon of a fair face. To see your logo, as you guys can see, into Zippy Diapers. Logo no wa have a fair feno. Alright. So if I like it now, all I have to do is to just enter my email here and go free download. And now say if you don't want to do that, you don't want to enter your email on your PC, you can go snipping tool. Of course, snipping tool, this tool will come. We'll click here on snipping tool, this tool will come, and that's what I could new. So now if we snip it like this, we'll take here a screenshot like this. All right, you take here a screenshot, and a screenshot in a FFF. You just save this onto your PC. Voila, logo we are creating a FFF. As you guys can see here, Zippy Diapers, #1 diapers in Ghana. So this took us few minutes. Click. You're creating your logo. Into what you do is you send this logo to your supplier and to your manufacturer, and they will add the branding on your product. Trust me, man. When your brand name gets stuck in people's head now, Zippy Diapers. So if people can identify your brand easily now, you can grow. And also when you're just Zippy Diapers, which we are coming up with a lot of other products, API Zippy pads, so Zippy rolls, Zippy wipes. You'll be growing your brand within the Kwame Chimese. If you find this useful, you know what to do. Click on that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you do not miss out if I release another useful video. Again, if you want to grow your buying and selling business now, join Buy Sell Club and we'll help you get there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.